Hello everyone, this video is the Scene LMS for Zoom app guidance to teach you how to add CN Zoom app to your Zoom account and have access to all of your course content and activities. The first step to do is to get on this Zoom app marketplace by typing marketplace.zoom.us. From the search, just search LMS for Zoom will pop up the CN LMS for Zoom app. You have to sign in to be able to add this app, so I'll just follow the procedure of signing in. Once you sign in, here will give you options to add this app to your Zoom account. Since I already added, here just give the information saying it's added. If you are a public Zoom account user, by clicking here, the app will be automatically added to your Zoom account. If you are an institutional user, you have to get your admin approval to be able to add this app. After you add the CN LMS for Zoom app, now is the time to use it on Zoom. What you can see right now is my Zoom desktop interface. I recommend you to download it from Zoom if you haven't done so. First, I need to log in, use my Zoom login credentials. Once I logged in, I see my Zoom overall interface. You can access your CN course content while you are in meeting room. All you need to do is to click Apps button from the bottom navigation menu, then choose LMS for Zoom app. Will open up a window right next to your Zoom meeting room. This window is well designed to fit within the room. You can resize this window to make it bigger or small. For easier use, you can just expand the app or collapse. You also have options to share screen or invite others to use this app. Secondly, I need to log into my CN and use my CN login credentials. I'm going to log in with my CN number and my CN password. After you log into your CN LMS for Zoom app, you will see the list of the courses here and you may choose the one that you're taking. You can also use your LMS for Zoom app before or after your Zoom class. You could also go to your web browser to access course networking by entering the cn.com, and you will follow the process of login and start working on your courses. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. For any more tutorial resources, you can go to our support center or contact us at help@thecn.com.